Hey everybody! I'm here today to hopefully not run out of breath. Sometimes I gotta do a little ridiculous intro like that just to sort of make myself laugh and hopefully make you laugh at home as well. But with that being said, I'm not here to just do a long intro. I'm here to introduce a video topic, a very simple video topic. And the topic of this video is that I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to get to the alert screen on a Honeywell programmable thermostat. And this will be a step-by-step tutorial. So a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to get to the alert screen on your Honeywell programmable thermostat. So right here I have my Honeywell programmable thermostat. This is my own one that I have in my living room. And essentially, sometimes, and hopefully you don't get this situation, but sometimes there's going to be an alert, okay? The alert is going to be like sort of like a triangular symbol, and it's going to have like an exclamation mark inside of it, if I remember correctly. That means that there's something that your thermostat is alerting you about. Usually it just means there's something you got to look at or keep in mind. Now, you're going to get to the screen by doing the following things. I can't get to it because I don't have any alerts right now, thankfully. But essentially what you want to do is you want to press the menu button. So I'm going to illuminate the screen. I'm going to press the menu button. From the menu button, you can press plus or minus to scroll through the options, and you will have an option for alerts. That option for alerts will only be there if you actually have an alert. You can see I don't have an option for alerts because I don't have an alert that's present right now. So I'm going to go back to the home screen. But essentially, you're going to press the menu button, and then you're going to scroll to alerts. So I'm going to press the menu, you would scroll to alerts, and when you get to alerts, you would press select, okay? But once again, I don't have any alerts present right now, so I'm just going to go back from this screen over here to the home screen. And yeah, that's essentially how you get to the alert screen. And then the alerts also will self-reset after, or like snooze after a certain amount of time. So, you know, you should keep an eye on your thermostat. Don't go check it every hour. But I mean, whenever I walk by the thermostat, if it's once a day or once every second day, I always just take a look at it, make sure nothing's popped up. But essentially, yeah, that's how to get to the alert screen on your Honeywell programmable thermostat. It's a super easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.